Hi, I'm Dr. Alexandrina Vanke, and this is a video abstract for my article, Theorizing Everyday Struggle, Everyday Environmentalism as Creative Resistance in the City, published in Current Sociology Journal. In the article, I theorize everyday struggle as a form of creative, symbolic, and moral actions which are embedded in daily practices and take place in the domain of everyday life. I consider everyday struggle in relation to everyday environmentalism. I conceptualize everyday environmentalism as a moral ethical complex of grassroots practical activities aimed at saving and protecting the environment, as well as living and lived experiences of care for nature and the environment. And this ethnographically grounded theorization is based on my slow multisensory ethnography in Moscow, through which I creatively explore how ordinary city dwellers engage in environmental activities under structural constraints. One of the examples which my article considers is grassroots urban gardening. Some people transform small plots near their housing blocks, which belong to the city, into shared green spaces, which look like mini gardens. And these are not only ecological activities, but these green spaces become real sites of counterpower, which are under constant threat of the city. And these spaces create some possibilities for horizontal cooperations, for making new friendships, for reshaping the local landscapes, and for creating some possibilities for care about the environment and communities. Another example is regular waste sorting initiatives across the city. And these community-based regular activities where neighborhood residents gather together to hand over their sorted rubbish, and then they send it to recycling centers. At first glance, such activities may seem apolitical, but activists who organize such kind of eco-events view them as still politics and as a way of participating in the public life of the city when street protests are restricted. And these monthly eco-events create spaces for interaction and participation, and they bring together people from different social backgrounds, people who share concerns for the environment. In the article, I argue that everyday struggle is not only about resistance, but also the co-creation of alternatives and care for nature and communities. Everyday struggle is multiple, multidirectional, and cumulative. It means that these small, habituated, everyday acts help people to cultivate social ties, extend their horizontal networks, and in such a way they contribute to future social change. If you find this interesting, I invite you to read my article, Theorizing Everyday Struggle, Everyday Environmentalism as Creative Resistance in Current Sociology, and think about the role which these micro actions play in social change. Thank you for watching.